when two of the fastest hypercars in existence, both boasting 1,600 horsepower, line up on the same strip, there can only be one question: what happens when physics meets ego? Welcome to Winds of Thought. This is the showdown that was never supposed to be fair. In one lane, a Bugatti Chiron Super Sport, a technological monument of brute force W16 power. In the other, a Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute, a lightweight Swedish missile built for one thing: speed. We have the definitive rematch, the final answer, and we have the real drivers from each brand in the passenger seats to ensure there are zero excuses. This is the drag race to settle them all. Let's get to the line. First, let's set the stage. This isn't a grudge match, it's a quest for clarity. These machines exist at the absolute peak of automotive engineering, yet they approach the problem from opposite ends of the spectrum. The Bugatti Chiron Super Sport, an 8-litre, quad-turbocharged W16 engine. 1,600 horsepower. 1,180 pound-feet of torque. All-wheel drive. It's a nearly 2-ton titan, a rolling masterpiece of complexity and luxury. Then, the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute, a 5-litre twin-turbo V8. Also 1,600 horsepower, but running on fierce E85 fuel. Rear-wheel drive. It sheds over 1,300 pounds from the Bugatti's weight. This isn't just a race, it's a philosophical battle. Does all-wheel drive traction conquer all, or does pure, unadulterated lightness win the day? To guarantee absolute fairness and shut down any online critics, we've brought the experts. Riding shotgun in the Bugatti is Goran, an official test driver from the brand. In the Koenigseggs it's Marcus, a Koenigsegg development driver. Their job? To ensure these million-dollar machines are operated perfectly, with every setting optimized. No room for error. No room for what if. We begin with a rolling race to heat the tires, starting from a slow crawl. The drama starts immediately. 3, 2, 1. The Bugatti launches with ferocious grip. The Koenigsegg's rear tires fight for purchase, spinning wildly as its driver, Sam, wrestles with the throttle. The Bugatti surges ahead. It's not even close. The first round goes decisively to the all-wheel drive brute. But was that the true test? In the Koenigsegg, the mood is analytical, not defeated. Sam and Marcus diagnose the issue, starting in too high a gear for the slow roll, killing their torque. They request a rerun, starting in second gear. The Bugatti team, confident, agrees. We line up again. This time, the Koenigsegg hooks up better. The gap closes dramatically. For a heart-stopping moment, it looks like the Swedish car might claw its way back. But the Bugatti's launch advantage is still too much. It wins again, but by a whisper. The message is clear: give the Koenigsegg a fighting start, and it becomes a whole different beast. The stage is now set for the main event, the standing quarter mile. This is it. Pure acceleration from a dead stop. Both cars engage their launch control systems, a digital symphony preparing for violence. The atmosphere is pure electricity. The lights drop. The Bugatti explodes off the line with unreal traction, all 4 tires digging in. The Koenigsegg launches hard, but its rear wheels spin just a fraction more, costing it a critical 1/10 of a second. Down the strip they scream, the Bugatti holding a lead. But watch the Koenigsegg, it's reeling the Bugatti in. The lighter car is accelerating faster now. Is there enough drag? The Bugatti takes the quarter-mile win. But the trap speed tells the hidden story. The Koenigsegg was moving faster at the end. It was just getting started. The Bugatti won the launch, but the Koenigsegg was winning the war. The teams are buzzing. The Bugatti celebrates a clean win. The Koenigsegg team, seeing the closing speed, issues a bold challenge: double the distance. A half-mile race. Whoever wins, keeps the other car, Sam declares, only half joking. The stakes are now ludicrous. We reline the cars. The tension is palpable. This is where power to weight and aerodynamics will truly talk. Lights out. Again, the Bugatti rockets ahead, It's all poor launch undeniable. But past the quarter mile, the script flips. The Koenigsegg's lightness and insane aerodynamics come into their own. It's a predator closing on its prey. You can see it gaining inch by inch, its shape slicing the air while the Bugatti fights track. They blast past the half-mile marker. It's desperately close. The verdict? The Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute wins. By 0.2 of a second, but a win is a win. The lightweight philosophy triumphs over the long haul. The Bugatti is the ultimate sprinter, the Koenigsegg is the relentless hunter. But the day isn't done. How do you stop these projectiles? A brake test from 100 miles per hour. Both cars hammer their carbon ceramic brakes. The deceleration is brutal, a physical force pushing you forward. The Koenigsegg, hundreds of pounds lighter, stops noticeably shorter. It's the final exclamation point on the advantage of minimal mass. Every action, go, turn, stop, is amplified by the lack of weight. So, what's the final answer? It's beautifully complex. Over the short, explosive quarter mile, the Bugatti Chiron Super Sports all-wheel drive grip is king. It wins the drag race. But extend the battle to a half mile, and the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute's ruthless dedication to lightweight and aerodynamic efficiency allows it to storm back and claim victory. One is a sledgehammer, the other is a scalpel. Both redefine the possible. This was more than a race. It was a masterclass in engineering priorities. If this clash of hypercar philosophies got your heart racing, show us by hitting the like button. It genuinely helps Winds of Thought bring you more content that explores the limits of technology and performance. Subscribe and join the conversation below. In the eternal debate of power versus weight, which side do you take? Thanks for watching.